The accused triggerman in the murder of Nashville nurse Caitlyn Kaufman wants out of jail, at least until his trial.
Devontae Hill's attorney says her client's been unfairly held without bond for more than a year now in this high-profile case.
But as News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us, prosecutors say Hill is far too dangerous to risk releasing.
Under the law, everyone is entitled to a bond unless it's a capital case, and prosecutors have given no indication they're going to seek the death penalty. So one of the suspects in the Caitlyn Kaufman case is asking that a bond be set. Kaufman, an ICU nurse in Nashville, was killed driving to work on I-440 just weeks before Christmas 2020. 6 rounds were fired into her SUV during rush hour traffic. A week later, police arrested 22-year-old Devontae Hill, the accused shooter, and 30-year-old James Cowan. Both are charged with first-degree murder and have been held without bond. At a hearing Monday morning, Hill's lawyer said that's wrong.
It is unusual in this jurisdiction that individuals be held without bond, even on serious cases.
Georgia Sims argued bond is set all the time for homicide suspects in places like James Casey Holmes or University Court, but not so with the Kaufman case.
So let's be really careful that we are not suggesting that Mr. Hill is more dangerous because the allegations here veer across I-40 into a wealthy white neighborhood, as opposed to where we see most of the gun violence here in Nashville. Because the lives of poor people of color in this city are just as valuable.
Defense is alleging that somehow this has something to do with wealth or the color of someone's skin, which I submit that has absolutely nothing to do with this case or nothing to do with the issue of whether or not bond should be set.
Prosecutor Jan Norman says the issue is Hill's violent criminal past and the alleged shooting of Kaufman.
Because of that, he is very dangerous. The court should consider protecting all of the citizens of Davidson County.
A typical bond for a first-degree murder case can be about $250,000. We'll see in the next few days what the judge decides to set and whether or not Hill can make it. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
All right, Nick, a key witness in this case says road rage was the motive for the shooting. The trial set for November.